If you have to look at the different, you were mentioning about the recorded videos, you were mentioning about the material and all that. So what was the learning product which really helped you?
Virtual learning platform which were given to us. So two things I would say, that the platform is very well organized. It could be accessed over very low internet bandwidth. It quickly loads up. It's not that it's catching up a lot of bandwidth, because this is very important. Sometimes we have to attend classes when we are traveling, but that doesn't affect much. So in the VLE, the program has organized materials in certain sectors, and throughout our each semester we have two phases, and each phase contains several modules, and for each module, so it's divided into small reading parts, and each module we have a reading part where the HTML version of the online material is there. So it's kind of no one is there, but still you have to interact with the virtual platform. You read a part of your work, you have to go next to do the next part of reading. So, and the platform will help you to track your progress. It tracks how fast you can read, how much have you completed out of the course, like that. And you also have a section where the PDF of all the study materials were submitted. So the PDFs actually help, because if you want to download say for a particular module, all the documents in one document, instead of going or clicking one page after other, the PDF helps. And the PDF not only includes the study material, it includes the short questions, the answer to the short questions and everything. The VLE also has a section where there were recordings of faculty members, which is additional to the live classes. The live classes where the recordings were present, but there were small recordings in the VLE that actually helped a lot, because sometimes we get bored reading a lot of things like this. The small recording part, the videos given there, say 1 minute or 2 minutes videos, that actually helps a lot before the exam preparation. And the end of those videos, there is a very good summary section of the video link. So sometimes what we used to do is we just skip throughout the video and go to the last, say, 10 seconds to quickly recap what was said in the video. So these were the study material given to us. And then there were sections, clearly defined sections where the exams were, or the homework needs to be submitted. The homework contains both the objective type and some subjective type questions, and our faculty members has guided us through very well how to answer them. Even before each of the semester exam, they organized a special session for the or tutorials to how to address the different types of questions. So we have 3 different types of questions: section A, section B, and section C. Section A is completely objective multiple choice type of questions. Section B is very small answer subjective question, and section C is mostly conceptual question, where we have to write around half a page or say 1 page written. But how to write this, what are the type of questions given, what typical questions look like, where should we focus when we read a question, all these were guided by the faculty members. So so there were study materials, there were these linked videos, there were the exam parts, and finally I would also like to mention about the glossary section. That also helped a lot. So when we try to answer a multiple choice question during our, say, a continuous examination, sometimes a name is given and we couldn't remember where have I read it. So we can quickly go to the glossary and see it. So our end term exam is not open book exam, but our continuous exam are open book exam. So we can easily go back to our study material to link what was there and how to read it.